Hi. Welcome to this quick Excel tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to make your spreadsheet look clean and professional using simple formatting steps. Let's get started. Hi everyone, and welcome to this Excel training session. In this video, we will learn how to format a basic Excel spreadsheet to make it look clean, organized, and professional. We will work on a sales report spreadsheet and walk through steps like formatting headings, aligning content, adjusting column widths, and applying number formats such as currency and percentages. Let us start with the main heading. Select cells A2 to G2. Go to the Home tab. In the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. Then go to the Cell Styles group and select a style under Titles and Headings. You will see that our heading is now centered and styled nicely. Next, we will format our column headings in row 4. Select cells A4 to G4. Adjust the column widths by double-clicking between column letters, for example, between F and G and H to auto-fit the text. Go back to the cell styles and select a format under heading 4. To change the font color, go to the Font group, click the drop-down arrow under Font Color, and select a color you like, for example, a bold gray or red. Now, let us format the dates. You will notice that the dates are aligned to the left, which means they might be stored as text, not real dates. Let us fix that. Try changing the format to date. If it does not work, Excel is treating it as text. Remove the text or retype the date manually. Once corrected, the dates should align to the right and accept date formatting. Go to Number Formatting and select the little arrow. Then select Custom. Then select Date, to choose the date format you would like to use. Then go back to Custom to format the date as would like it to appear on your report. You will notice it does not allow us to format the date. We need to retype the date so that it aligns to the right and Excel can read it as value, not text. Once you have retyped the date, press Enter and copy the date down using the little black cross, also called the fill handle. Then go back to Number group and select the little arrow, then select Custom. You will notice now it allows you to format the date. In the Type dialog box, you type the date as you would like to see appear in your sales report spreadsheet. Now, let us format our values as currency, in this case, South African Rand, R. Select the range D5 to D9. In the number group, click the currency drop-down. It may show dollar by default. If you do not see the Rand, R, click More Number Formats. In the dialog, choose your symbol from the list, scroll until you find R, South Africa, then click OK. Now your values are formatted correctly in rands. Now let us format the profit amount values using the Format Painter. Firstly, we need to select a value that is already formatted as a currency, then click the Format Painter, then select the profit amount values. You will notice that the values are now formatted as currency. Now let us look at percentage formatting. In Excel, if you try to apply a percentage format directly to numbers like 20 or 30, Excel will assume they are already in percentage form and show 2000%, which is incorrect. Instead, use this trick. In an empty cell, e.g., J2, type 0.01 and press Enter. Copy that cell. Select your profit margin range F5 to F9. Below Paste, click the drop-down arrow and select Paste Special. Below you will see Operations, select Multiply. Then click OK. Now we need to convert the numbers properly to percentages. Go to the number group and select percentage. Remove decimal places if needed. Then click OK. You have now converted and formatted the values properly as percentages. Since we did not use a formula in cell J2, you can delete 0.01. It will not disturb the changes. Let us now add totals using AutoSum. Go to the Formulas tab. Click AutoSum under the function group. Press Enter, then copy the formula across to other columns. Delete the profit margin %. We do not need the total yet. Now we are going to format the total rows. But before we are going to use the Format Painter to format the values to currency. Click any value with the currency format, then click Format Painter. You can also double-click the Format Painter if you are formatting multiple cells, rows or columns. Also adjust the column width so that everything fits well. To format the total row, select the row A11 to G11. Apply a cell style like Total. Or you can manually use bold fonts and background fill color. For now we will stick with the Total heading style. We don't want to leave F11 empty. We will type 100% manually for now. To make the data easier to read, select your table range A4 to G9. In the font group, click the Borders drop-down and select All Borders. You can highlight specific rows like a profit with a background color. Go to Full Color, choose a soft color, like light green or blue, to differentiate it. You can also add color on your profit amount and total sales. You can go to Cell Styles and select Themed Cell Styles under different colors. Use soft colors so that your data is readable. Adjust your spreadsheet column width so that every fits and your spreadsheet is easy to read. Remember, on the Home tab, the key formatting groups are Font, change font type, size, color, bold, italics, underline. Alignment, align text left, center, right, or wrap text within cells. Number, format cells as number, date, currency, or percentage. Cell styles, apply quick pre-designed styles to headings or totals. Your spreadsheet looks colorful, professional and presentable. Please remember, format your spreadsheet based on your company standards and requirements. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, Please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and training. See you in the next video.